Hello, you're watching the Unit A Concept 1 video from Mrs. Cremines' Language Arts class. The focus of this video will be identifying nouns. After watching this video, you should be able to tell whether a noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Remember that when you see a pencil next to an item, that means it is information that needs to be included in your WISC notes to receive credit. A noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns can be used in many different ways in a sentence. You can classify nouns in several different ways. Nouns can be common or proper, concrete or abstract, or singular or plural. We will cover those classifications in future concept videos. A person is a human being, whether man, woman, or child. Nouns can be specific people. For example, Mrs. Cremines, President Obama, Scotty McCreery, and Christian are all specific people. Nouns can also be general people. For example, woman, politician, celebrity, and boy are all general people. I would like you to pause the video and add 2 more specific people and 2 more general people to the chart in your WISC. A space, area, or spot set apart or used for a particular purpose is a place. As with people, nouns can be specific places. For example, Lewistown, Illinois, Casey's, and Walmart are all specific places. Nouns can be general places too. For example, town, state, gas station, and store are general places. Pause the video now and add 2 more specific places and 2 more general places to the chart in your WISC notes. An object, named or unnamed, or a creature that is not human is a thing. Nouns can be specific things. For example, Kleenex, Lunchable, Aquafina, and Seal. Notice that many specific things are branded products. General things are also nouns. For example, tissue, food, water, and animal are all general things. Pause the video and add 2 more specific things and 2 more general things to the chart in your notes. An idea is a thought, an opinion, view, or belief existing in the mind as a result of mental understanding or activity. Ideas aren't really specific or general. Bravery, knowledge, Christianity, and democracy are all examples of ideas. I want you to pause the video and add 4 more examples of ideas into the chart in your WISC. Now it's time to show what you know. Find the section in your WISC for practice examples. I'm going to give you a list of 8 nouns. In the first column, you are going to classify whether or not the noun listed is a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. For a further challenge, write whether or not the noun listed is a specific example or a general example. Remember that ideas aren't specific or general, so just write none in the second column instead. Some places could be things. When deciding whether to classify a noun as either a place or a thing, think about whether the noun listed is set aside or used for a specific purpose. If that is the case, then the noun listed is a place, not a thing. In a moment, you are going to pause the video and answer the practice examples in your WISC. Once you have answered both questions for all 8 practice examples, resume the video to see how you did. Remember that since the practice examples aren't graded on whether you got them right or wrong, it doesn't do you any good to just copy the answers. You will be completing assignments and mastery quizzes that will check to see whether you understand the objective. This practice exercise will help you and me to determine whether or not you understand the objective and are ready to take the mastery quiz. Practice example number 1, anger. Practice example number 2, Utah. Practice example number 3, candle. Practice example number 4, Flint Lockwood. Practice example number 5, communism. Practice example number 6, cheese. Practice example number 7, scientist. And practice example number 8, bedroom. Pause the video now and write your answers. Resume the video once you have completed the practice exercises in your whisk. Practice example number 1. Anger is an idea. In the second column, you should have written none, since ideas aren't generally specific or general. Practice example number 2. Utah is a place. You should have written specific in the second column because Utah is a specific place. Practice example number 3. A candle is a thing. In the second column, you should have written general. Practice example number 4. Flint Lockwood is a person. Flint is the main character in the movie Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Therefore, he is a specific person. Practice example number 5. Communism is an idea. Practice example number 6. Cheese is a thing. Cheese is a general thing. Practice example number 7. A scientist is a person. In the second column, you should have written general. Practice example number 8. A bedroom is a place. A bedroom is a specific area set aside for the purpose of sleeping. You should have written general in the second column. Hopefully you did well identifying the nouns in the practice examples. If you correctly answered all 8 nouns as a person, place, thing, or idea, then I would suggest you take the Unit A Concept 1 Mastery Quiz. Remember that the quiz determines whether you will need extra practice before testing on Objective 1 on the noun test that you'll be taking in the near future. Make sure that you complete the summary and question section in your whisk.